Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve the rightmost number in Excel. So as you can see here, I've already have my data here with numbers on the right and then letters on the left. And I'm going to show you how to retrieve only the numbers on the right side or the most right of the data. So to do that, you need to use the right formula. So I'm going to type in here, right, and then click the data that you want to find the rightmost number. In this case, this one, and then semicolon. Oops. And type in the characters, how much characters you want to retrieve. So in this case there are three numbers in here and I'm going to retrieve all of them. Just click on three characters and then click and then parentheses and enter. So just like that, the numbers will be retrieved here, only the numbers. But if you want to retrieve only the, for example, the most right or the last character only, you can do that also, right? And then click on this and semicolon and click on one. So only one character that you want to retrieve the most right. Just click enter. As you can see, only the number one here that is retrieved in here, and then you can do that to the whole data like this. Okay, it's so easy. Alright, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can retrieve the rightmost number in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.